We are live on Facebook showing you our wonderful new frames.
Woo.
So I'm Danielle from Pro World.
I'm Bianca.
I'm Jessie back here.
Jesse's doing our camera duty today. So we're going to be able to zoom in so you can really see these frames and how awesome and beautiful they are. Because they're part of our new line that we have. We just got these in.
There we go. I see.
And they're really, really quite nice. They have a nice little glossy finish to the edge of the frame and what they call a metallic luster pattern within it. So it's like an off-white frame, the metallic kind of, I guess, you know what? I don't even know. It's not quite silver. Jesse, if you want to kind of like zoom in for us, and then that way we can kind of see.
They're almost like a cream color, I feel like.
Yeah, it's like cream colored with like the little, you know, it's tough. But maybe, hopefully you can see, you know, zoomed in, because it's quite hard to show it on the website because of, you know, how it looks. It's kind of like an iridescent sort of appearance. So we're good?
Yep, we're good. This is not a repeat from yesterday. We
No,
were
not
so
a
excited
repeat.
yesterday that we got them all in stock. So we are here. This is our full live today.
And we're just going to show you how easy they are to print, because all you need is your sublimation equipment. So your printer, your paper, your inks, your heat press. We have our tape here with us, non-stick sheet, the glove. Who needs a glove, Bianca?
Very important. Well, I like my fingers.
I mean,
Do you even have feeling in any of yours anymore?
I may not.
Okay.
That's what you get for testing all the time. So all right, so we're ready to go. Let's start one. You see how easy it is. All right, so all of these frames, we're gonna do this one right here. They have like this white kind of paper which you peel off, and it's the sticker underneath. So we don't quite need this one yet, but they all come with this photo panel, which also has a clear coating on it. So you just peel off that clear coat. See, it's nice and shiny for you. So that's the side you're gonna print on. I always print 2 copies of pictures because, you know, you never know. and we're live.
I was going to ask why you had 2.
Because why not?
Okay.
So you're just gonna do face down onto your picture so you can kind of line it up. And get it where I need it. Okay. All right.
I'm just going to say hello to Esha. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Danielle says they look cool. Hello, Lenora. Hi, Kimberly. Everybody's just popping in and saying hello.
Hello, everybody. All right, so face down. This kind of looks messy, but that's okay because it's the back side. Face down on your heat press. Cover with your nonstick sheet. And we're going to press. We're at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So 400 degrees, pretty standard
basic,
for your sublimation. You always want to be at 400. But your time changes, of course. So 60 seconds we have this one, so it's going to cook for us. And then once it kind of cools or warms off, then we could stick it to our frame.
Yes.
And so we'll show you all the steps. So we'll do 2 of them here today so you can really get a good idea. Just number 1, how super simple it is to make this really, really pretty frame.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, just to be able to know that you can offer these to your customers. So, you know, definitely take advantage of these new frames. They're not that expensive on the website. You know, in the whole scheme of things for frames, these are not priced very high at all.
I wouldn't think so, especially because they're custom. So I feel like getting custom frames anywhere is expensive, and you know, you get $7.95. Yeah, it might be a basic frame, but then you can turn around and turn it into such a great gift. We have the apple. I love that for. Oh, that was quick. 60 seconds.
Go ahead. The apple.
So the apple's great for end of the school year gifts, or anything. I love this one. I really should have created mine this way, but that's fine. Next time. We have the hearts for weddings. We also have this one back here. It's kind of hiding. It says love with the heart in it. I love this one too.
Oh yeah, I love that one. Oh, love.
Very nice.
I like the double heart. Did you say the double heart?
I did. Yeah, I showed that one.
That one's just so cute. If you have like 2 really, really nice pictures, like these, I think these are like the perfect wedding gift.
Yes.
Like these are just, it screams wedding to me.
Right.
And like the panoramic one, so pretty.
Yeah.
A nice city scene in that, or like a nice panoramic shot. Like
very
that would
nice.
look so pretty. All right, so as you can see, our paper, we lost our ink, which is perfect because it's on the panel. Yay. So we did it right. So you see where you ended, which is right there. The picture looks gorgeous. on the frame itself.
Oh, even that little sunburst. It's so nice.
Yes, just wanted to keep the sunburst. So we're gonna put this aside because again, it's hot, and I just took my glove off.
Oh my god.
Whoopsies. All right, so now we're gonna do another one. So a different style. This one has these rose patterns in the corner. So pretty and very, very wedding, very Mother's Day. And you know, just to kind of, since we're kind of zoomed in, sturdy plastic kickstand. So it can go this way or it can go this way.
I love that.
So you have options. So those are super nice.
They're beautiful. Hi, Teresa from Reno. Hello from North Carolina from Tony. Let's see.
Okay, we're gonna do
Nathan with the links.
Thanks,
Always coming in
Nathan.
clutch.
These are under the sublimation category and under photo frames.
Yes. No questions
All right.
as of yet. Everybody's still just saying hello and checking in.
So you can kind of, I always just double check where my people are in comparison to my frame here. So.
Oh, Cheryl says hello, Pro World fam.
Hello. All right. So again, face down, metal side up. Right? Yeah,
Yep,
metal side up.
Yep.
Gotta double check that.
We double checked it quite a few times.
And close and lock.
All right.
So by this time, see, this is so nice and cool to the touch. It's fine.
Is it though? Or...
It really is. You want to check?
All right.
See,
all right.
she didn't
That's
want to
fine.
grab it for me. Did you
I
all
was
see that?
nervous.
She
I
almost dropped it.
Because I didn't know actually.
No,
Whatever.
I don't want to touch it. Thinking that I'm trying to give her something too hot. Come on.
I never.
All right. See? Wow. Done. Okay. There's your sticker. All right. So there's no trash can there.
No, I know. There never is.
Bianca makes fun of my trash can abilities. All right. So since this is already on the back, make sure you are face up. All right. And then you just line it up. The frame is actually just a little bit bigger. Well, the photo panel is a little bit bigger than your edge of your frame.
Oh, okay.
So,
Is that way you don't see like the wood indent or anything?
don't
like that?
pardon my like shaking because I don't want to mess it up because once it's down, it's down. Perfect. Oh, and look at that.
And we're done.
It took me 60 seconds.
Oh, it was a little less. So here, I'll do that's that one. That's what it looks like when it's on the frame. Very nice.
I thought Bianca was going to yell at me because I don't have my gloves on at all right
Burned
now.
my arm off.
Did I?
Almost.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
It's fine. It was just very hot.
I don't know where my glove went. Oh, there
right
it is.
You threw it and so I took it.
Ow.
Take your
that.
glove.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
All right, so another one, gorgeous picture. Ta-da. All right, and we're gonna wait because it's still hot.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But this came out so cute, gorgeous, very pretty, very nicely done.
Oh, Alicia says, hello, ladies. I appreciate these videos. I'm still new, and all your ideas are awesome. Hello from around the corner of Mount Laurel.
Thank you.
Very close.
We enjoy doing these weekly. Like as
Yeah.
you guys, we're always here.
Yeah.
So
every Friday.
you know, if you ever want to see something or want us to show you something, or you had a question like, you know, gosh, what's the best vinyl for wood, or what should I use for this? Let us know. We're always available through email, service@proworldinc.com. Let me slow that down. Service@proworldinc.com. So please let us know your thoughts, what you want, because sometimes you have to see it before you want to buy it.
Right.
So you want to make sure that it's easy to use, easy to do, and so we can show you.
Oh, Tony, the question of the hour. Will you have heat press specials at the ISS Atlantic City?
Yes! Maybe.
Oh.
I don't know, actually.
I don't know.
We're going to have some kind of special. We'll definitely be at the ISS show, booth 923. And what we're going to be offering, I don't think it's like set in stone yet. We're still kind of tossing around some ideas. But definitely visit us. We'll be there and showing you stuff. Days? We're going to have a bunch of three days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah.
We're going to have a bunch of our heat presses there so you can see them, test them, press with them.
Yep.
We're going to have Caesar vinyl with us as well in our booth.
So awesome.
it's going to be a real fun few days. in AC.
Another Tony says, will you be offered any type of sample package? We actually do have quite a few sample packs available for regular inkjet and laser printer paper, but I don't think we have anything for sublimation. But we have such low minimums that you don't have to worry about samples, because you could just buy one and that could be your sample. No pressure.
I know, right? I'm sorry. I blocked you with all the other frames. Dun 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 dun. So nice.
Oh, Alicia, I'm sorry. That's his last name. Axel's the first name, but thanks for the shout out. Sorry. My apologies there. A little confusing. Jess is usually the questionnaire person, so.
Bianca's filling
yeah.
in.
Clearly.
So that's the story that we're going to stick with today for getting those wrong.
Maybe I just can't read.
We won't let people know that.
Fine. Not at all.
So make sure that you definitely check out these photo frames. We do have a lot in inventory since we just got them in.
Yep.
So, they are super nice. And again, very pretty. The metallic luster is really nice in them. Send us your emails, give us phone calls.
Yeah.
Let us know. Post it on Instagram. I don't
always
know.
tag us on Instagram.
Yeah.
Hashtag ProWorldInc, or that's our Instagram handle as well, as @ProWorldInc. So you can tag us in it. We're always on it. We're always looking at stuff. And we need your ideas. We love them.
Has anybody watching purchased any of these frames? Because they've been on our website probably for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. Does anybody? Yeah. Does anybody? If we get a like or a love, to let us know if you bought it.
Get it? I get it.
A like or love? Yeah. See, that wasn't no pun intended actually. But Bianca just jumped right on there.
I sure did.
All right, so I think we're good here.
I think so.
I don't think anybody commented that they.
No, everybody just saying that was the end. They're all just saying hello.
Right.
Where can I get the frames? The show dates for Cheryl, March
15th through the 17th.
Yes.
So we'll be there for St. Patty's Day, the 17th,
being in Atlantic
right?
City for St. Patty's Day. Yes, that's going to be very exciting. Oh, hello from Chicago.
And we'll be doing a live from the ISS show.
Oh, right. We're doing it with Caesar, right?
We are. So any of you Caesar fans out there, Joey will be with us. So definitely, tune in for that one for sure.
Absolutely.
But like always, we'll be here next week for you.
Yeah.
All right. So we're good?
I think that's it. Yeah, we got everybody.
All right. So thank you everybody for joining us, and we will see you right back here next week, 12:15.
Have a great weekend, guys.
Bye.